using the Ultrasound Skin Scrubber. This can be done as a facial, or it can also be done added to different facials like the Elaine Selling facial. So the Ultrasound Skin Scrubber uses a blade to vibrate the dead skin cells off the face. I've sprayed this with alcohol. And the area that you're going to use, it's going to vibrate the dead skin cells off the face. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and I like to wet the area I'm going to work on. So I'm using a silicone spatula and applying moisture to the area because the skin has to be moist for this to work. So I'm going to go ahead and use my spatula. I also like to have an aesthetic wipe next to me so that I can wipe my blade off. So I'm going to move my blade and it will vibrate the dead skin cells off, and then you go ahead and wipe your blade. And again, the skin should be moist, and if the skin is dry, then of course, and it doesn't matter the direction, but it will vibrate the dead skin cells off the face. You can use this instead of an exfoliation or included with an exfoliation. You get clients that their skin is very sensitive and they're unable to do microdermabrasion. This is a great alternative to microdermabrasion. So you can see how it is vibrating with ultrasonic sound waves the dead skin cells off the skin. Again, the area that I'm working on, I'm making the skin moist. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and use the spatula the other side to penetrate a water-soluble serum into the skin. In this case, I'm going to use my vitamin C serum because this will be a great brightener for her. And I've got my aesthetic wipe to wipe the blade. Again, a little bowl of water to keep the area moist. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and get our serum, and I'll show you how to penetrate the serum. Water-soluble substances don't usually penetrate the skin, but if we use galvanic or we use ultrasound, it'll help the products penetrate. So I'm going to use a vitamin C serum. I'm just going to apply it to the skin because I want the blade to push it into the skin. So I'm going to apply the serum to the skin. I'm going to turn on and I'm going to just flip it over. So then we're going to flip it over and I'm going to use it on the flat side to help penetrate the product into the skin. So just move it along the skin. The serum will help it glide and that'll push the product into the skin. So with the ultrasound skin scrubber, we use it two ways, one to exfoliate and then the other to press serum on the skin. And usually the serum is at the end of the facial. And that is ultrasound skin scrubber that can be added to a facial or used instead of more harsh exfoliating techniques, and you can create a whole facial out of it as well.